Niha, running dog capitalists of the bourgeoisie. Comrades, we're on the Jiang, which used to be called the Yangtze River. And this is Shanghai, or part of it. Look over there, and look over there. This is what capitalism looks like, which is kind of funny because we're in a communist country. One of the contradictions of this great country. Yes, I'm talking about China, folks. The world's largest communist country and the richest country in the world. Why is this happening? Where has Western capitalism let us down? Is it Wall Street? Is it the White House? Is it Europe? Or is it just our bullshit democracy? Anyway, vote for me and I'll be very happy. Niha, and while I change. See you, fans.